Hello friends, it's about dinner time here. So today I'm making this veggie omelette and I'm gonna show you how I make this and we will eat this together. So let's get started. These are the ingredients that you will need. I'm using some leftover veggies that I used from last time and add some frozen corn as well. I also already cooked some white rice. I think this is best to eat with white rice, but you can eat with brown rice or whatever that you want. I'm using 4 eggs. Add some salt, black pepper, some dehydrated garlic, chili flake, and chicken powder to add more flavor to my egg. Also using some coconut sugar to bring out more flavor. Now you're just gonna beat this like a bowl, yeah. I'm gonna stir fry the veggies first until it's a little bit cooked. Then I'm gonna add in the egg and flip it over. So this is the finish. Hi everyone, so I'm back with another mukbang video. This one may be a little bit boring for some of you because it's just like veggie omelette, but I am so proud myself for making this dish. This is one of my favorite dish, and I'm not a good cook at all, but I think well, it doesn't look very appealing for you guys, but I swear to God this tastes so good with some white rice. And most of the time, like when I'm busy or don't have much time to cook, then I just like quickly whip this up and eat with some white rice. It's so simple and so easy. So let's get started because it's about 6-7 o'clock now. I know it's still very bright here, but it's dinner time for me, so let's eat. I'm so hungry, and today I got this sauce. Everyone knows this. Everyone loves sriracha. So I'm just gonna spice it up a little bit, just a little bit, to add some more flavor in it. Here we go. Just a few drops first. I see everyone does mukbang and they always have this sauce next to them, so now I'm just gonna put it right next to me. It's not like an ad to advertise for this sauce, but you know. Well, let's try this. First bite. Some rice, some sriracha, and some eggs. Here you go. Come on, focus, focus, focus. Sometimes it's hard for me to see if it's focused or not, sorry. It's best to eat with this sauce. This sauce goes with everything, I think, because I saw everyone eat everything with this. The sun is going down now, so hopefully it won't get too dark, and sorry if my light changing. Seriously, very good. Some of this sauce on. Sorry if I'm talking while I'm eating. Manner. Let's some veggie in here. Go, some capsicum. And I just have these vegetable left over from last time I cooked another omelette last time, and you can put any veggies or whatever your favorite veggies in here. Sometimes I put some green in here as well, like kale or spinach. You can just put, oops, sorry, talking while eating. You can just put anything will work. I think, oops, fly, go away from me. Sorry, I opened the door before and it's hot here, guys, so all the flies just come in here because of the aircon. So they try to get cool and it's not good at all. I don't like it. I already closed the door, so the fly and mosquito here is the worst ever. Don't know if you can hear that crunch from the capsicum. With this, you can cook the veggies for however long you want. If you want it a little bit more raw and crunchy, then don't cook the veggie for too long. Oh, it's getting a bit spicy from that sauce. Hopefully the neighbor doesn't look at me and thinking I'm weird, just like eating and talking to a camera. Here it's not very private when you have the curtain open. Because of the fence, you can see through to another neighbor's backyard or the neighbor house easily. So good. I'm so hungry. I didn't have have anything to eat after work. So, and then I just thought like, oh, I should make this video, cook with me, and you know, doing the mukbang after that. Something in my teeth. So it works perfectly because now it's dinner time, so time for me to eat. I'm so happy. This weekend is another long weekend and we have another holiday, so I will have Monday off. So I will have more time to film more videos. Actually, I'm gonna quickly get some more egg. I'm back with some more egg. Like when I watch these people who does mukbang and they do the Korean barbecue, oh my god, it looks so good. But I think it's a bit hard to set it up with the stove, the little stove, and then with all these things cooking, right? I don't know. But they look so yummy. Sorry if you can hear the flies flying around. They're big fly too. Not good. I don't know how to get rid of them. Itchy. So spicy. I thought that this one is not too spicy, but it's actually, oh, it says strong. So that means it must be very spicy. Sorry, my mistake. I let my dogs outside today. I gave them some bones because if I leave the door open, more flies will coming in. If I leave the door open, they can go in and out, but then more flies will coming in, so not good. Go away, fly. Oh, sorry. Sorry if they're bugging you. So annoying. I don't know what to do. So unhygiene. Normally my partner, he just spray them with the spray, but then because I'm in the kitchen eating now, so I don't want to get all the chemicals and that into my food. Oh, I'm wearing the Essence liquid lipstick that I did a review on my last video. So this is like another review for you guys to see if it will last long. I thought I had something at home for dessert, but I looked in my fridge and it was empty, so nothing. Nothing for dessert. Hopefully the camera doesn't get turned off today. I didn't know many of them got inside the house, the flies, that many. So annoying. Maybe all you can hear is like that noise. Sorry guys. More sauce. Get a little bit more egg. I'm back again. They're in the window now. It's like a fly apocalypse in here. Do you guys have this problem where you live? This is so bad. Annoy me so much. Sometimes when I spray them, they just fly everywhere, and now I'm eating. That's why I don't want to. So annoying. Sorry guys, this video a bit too angry, too violent. My food is so good, why can't they just let me enjoy? Go nuts. They don't need the aircon. They don't need the aircon. Sorry if this video all about the fly, but they annoy me so much. Finish dinner, I'm going to do the dishes and then watch some YouTube and then watch some movie and rest, and tomorrow go to work again. But this weekend is long weekend, so that's okay, I have day off. That's it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye.